Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Moonriver, ticker MOVR, Movr, or however you want to say it. So I did have an update October 12th. That was the last update that I did on Moonriver, so make sure to check it out before watching this video. Now, I am not a financial advisor by any means, so anything I say is strictly my opinion on the markets. So taking a look at Moonriver, we are on the daily chart. The day that I uploaded the last update was actually the bottom. And I do have a fib setup from the swing high in September to the swing low of October over here. And we are on our way up and we're attacking the 0.382. And we just got rejected from there. We're getting the bullish cross on the daily chart, which is mega bullish. If we actually get that through, that would be your confirmation of an uptrend. Over here, the red zone signifies a very, very strong resistance level because you can see we had 2 wicks to that area and we got rejected immediately. And that is where the golden ratio is as well. So that perhaps can be an indicator that it's a very strong resistance level. And usually the golden ratio is what really rejects the price from this area. And we can come back down, hopefully find support at the 0.5 or the 0.382 on the fib. One thing that I'm looking at over here as well is perhaps this was some sort of a bull flag that was playing out, and I just didn't really bring it up in the previous update, I think. So we're going to take a look at this bull flag over here, and it's a pretty massive bull flag in my opinion. So you can see that we had a strong move towards the upside, and then we have a channel down pattern. And essentially what you're doing now is you're breaking out. And if you want to target from that area, you just take the pole, right? You take the pole of the bull flag, and the pole is basically the start of the impulsive move all the way up to where the channel started forming. So if we take that, right, and we place it at the breakout area, that pretty much gives us this area over here, right? That would be your target. And that would be anywhere from, that pretty much gives us the 1.618, which is our target after breaking the previous high over here at 300, what is that? At $499. After you break that, you're in a technical target to $665. And the bull flag is a confirmation of that as well. So there you go. There's your bull flag and there is your target. And we have started breaking up above the resistance, and we have opened a candle. We even back tested it as support almost. We can even come back lower and it would be okay. So make sure to have some buy orders at the 0.236, which is $287. So that's something you can keep an eye on as well. So the Stochastic Rsi is approaching the overbought. We want to come up here and we're perhaps going to stay there for a couple of days. Usually it takes about around a week to start coming back down, but with the crypto markets being so crazy, by the end of the year, I don't know how long we're going to stay there and how high we're going to come up. So obviously, if you're looking right now from where we are right now all the way to the targets over here, that's around about 100% gains to our technical targets. We have a bullish cross on the MACD, which is great. That signals that we are in an uptrend. And that is just your confirmation. The RSI looks completely healthy at the minute. Let me do something like this and see if we have broken it. And yeah, we actually have broken a major resistance level on the RSI. So if you take a look at this, we do have 2 touches off of this area over here, one being over there and one being over there. And that is where we got rejected twice before. And for the 3rd time, we actually broke above it. So potentially what could happen is we come back down to find support and we land on that previous resistance turned into support. So because this is a straight vertical line, you're perhaps going to, usually come back down for support. But since this project doesn't have a lot of market, it doesn't have a huge market cap. I don't remember what the market cap is, but I do know that it's not a very big project at the moment. But with the parachain auctions coming in November, I think Moonriver is going to fly, and we can potentially take out the 2nd fib level as well and get to somewhere around about $1,000, which from here to around about $1,000 is a 230% gains, which I think is pretty doable, right? So yeah, that's the daily chart for you. That's Moonriver. Let's jump into the 4-hourly chart. So if we start getting rejected over here and we do, I do apologize, if we start getting rejected and we do something like this and come back down and hover above the 236, essentially what we'll be creating is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a very bullish pattern. That would be your neckline, and after breaking that neckline, you would be in a technical target. And let me just get the target for you. That would be obviously if it ended up happening. So that would give you our target around about $460, pretty much taking us to the previous all-time high. But that's only if we start having a pullback. We come back and hold the 236 as support, hold the 20 EMA on the 4-hourly chart as support, or we can even come back to this resistance turned into support. What we don't want to do is we don't want to come back lower than this low over here, because that would essentially create a downtrend. Because a downtrend basically is lower lows and lower highs. So this would be a low, this would be a lower low, and if we come back and make a lower low, that's a downtrend, right? And you're making lower highs. So you don't want to see that. You're breaking out of this downward channel, which is bullish. You're having the bullish cross on the 4-hourly, and you're potentially getting it on the daily chart very soon. So things are looking very good as of yet, and we're looking at those targets above there. So you make sure you dollar cost average into the project. Don't put all your money into one buy order, obviously. Look for the support on the 4-hourly EMA and the 236 on the fib, which is sitting at $287. That is your target at the minute. And yeah, we're doing pretty good. That's pretty much it. Let's jump into the indicators as well. So we're starting to come back down. So on the 4-hourly chart, on the Stochastic Rsi, once you see yourself in this level below in the oversold, that's when you want to start dollar cost averaging. The RSI, we were in the overbought just recently, so a nice place would have been to take profits. We were in the overbought above the 70 on the index, so that's always a signal that an asset is overbought. And as you can see, you came back down. That's where you could have bought back in. And taking a look at the MACD, we're starting to get a bit overextended, but hopefully we can just consolidate a bit for now and then have the next move towards the upside. But we got the bullish cross on the 4-hourly chart, and that was October 19th. That was your confirmation. And since October 19th, let's see, where was October 19th? Base somewhere around here, yeah. And we had an appreciation of 37% since that bullish cross on the MACD for the confirmation of the uptrend. So really, you have to look at the indicators together to get a better picture of what is happening with a price action. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Make sure to check out both videos on your screen. Check out the Telegram chat and the Discord server. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace out.